Hi everyone and welcome a new video. Today we are going to discover together the Alias SQLs using SQL Server Management Studio. So don't go anywhere and let's start our video.
So, as all we know, the SQL alias is used to rename the table names and column headings temporarily. In SQL Server, sometimes column names will not be user friendly, so we have to change them using SQL alias. So, as usual, I'm going to use Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Also, I'm going to use the AdventureWorks version 2012 database. And for this example, this video, I'm going to choose this table with the name product and with the schema production. Okay. So, for instance, for example, here we have product ID, which is all in one word. So we can store it as you can see here. Let's change. Okay, so we can change it to be. Let's make a zoom. Okay, we can change it to be in this way. So as you can see here, it's one word. When we execute, it's the alias. We use this new alias and we see in the result the product ID with space between the two words. Also, we can use this one. Let's execute, and as you can see, it's a different alias. Okay. So it was annoying to see the column headings like this one. So we sometimes for some managers and some developers they prefer this one. So we change it when we are using our queries such as the select queries. So we don't have new alias and we use it temporary as we said. Okay. So in a query, alias as a keyword is optional. So it's up to us to include it or not. We can use this data to explain the SQL alias column names. So as you can see here, this data, we can just not use this alias. Let's remove it. Let's execute. Nothing is happening, no errors. We can also make it back. Okay, so it's up to us to keep the alias or just put it away. Okay, so let's now go to the examples of alias. So, the first example, we are going to rename the column names in the above specified table, which is this one, and and uh, we are going to rename the product ID, one word, to this one as we did. So let's execute this query. So nothing is happening. Okay. So let's now doing another thing. So I'm going to now to make the example 2, which is we are going to add the name and the product name to create a new column, which is let's name it product name and number. Okay, so let's create new column name. Let's copy also the product number. Okay, let's make space between the both of them, and let's rename it to this one, product name and number. Okay, so let's execute. Now, as you can see here, we already have the name column. We already have the product number column, and here this is the combination, the concatenation of these two columns. So we have a new column which is the product name and number name. Okay, so let's now going to the third example. So we can also apply the alias names to calculated columns, mathematical calculations. So we are going to apply on two on two two on two columns, which are the safety stock level is a number, and the list of the price. Or let me see. Okay, we can use this. It's one of them is obviously is an integer or a big integer, and the second one is a float. So no problem. Okay, so let me see here. We have here safety stock level. Let's change the place of the column when we execute this query or we run this query, and let's make it of the less price, and let's add, as we did here above, let's add a new column temporary for this SQL query. So as we did and as we said, we are going doing this. Safety stock level and multiple by the less price, and let's set safety stock level price. Okay, just I'm using a random name, but it's close to this two columns. So let's execute. So as you can see here, we have a new column, which is safety stock level price. So it's not here we have some values which are different than 0. So we can use this example as a calculated column. Okay, so I hope that's all for our video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, on the like button, and comment what you want to see and your feedback from this video. I am preparing now. This is the fourth, I believe, the fourth video in the SQL series. I hope that you enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe to this to our channel, and to uh, share this video everywhere for you with your friend and your colleagues, uh, thanks all for the support, and see you in next video, and bye. Okay, have a good day.